Before customers can return items, you'll need to set up your return preferences in Seller Center. From return centers and shipping labels to return rules and exemptions, these settings help ensure returns are handled smoothly for both you and your customers. Let's explore how to set everything up. In the Shipping Profile section of Seller Center, you can define your general return settings. You'll need to add at least one return center where customers can send their items. All return centers you add must be within the continental United States and can't have a P.O. box address. If you have multiple return centers, returns will be sent to the location that is closest to the customer. Keep in mind that Walmart may request additional documents to validate your return center address. If the submitted proof can't be verified, Walmart reserves the right to take appropriate action, including suspending or removing the return center address. Before the customer can ship the item back to you, they'll need a return label. You can set up return label printing through Walmart's return shipping service, which is the default label printing method for self-fulfilled returns and prints labels at competitive rates. Or you can use a third-party carrier service for label printing like UPS or FedEx. When making return rules in Seller Center, you can customize the return window by an item's category or product type. If you need to go more granular and set rules by item, you can set up item-level overrides using the Change Return Rules template. If you don't want the return item shipped back to you, you can set Keep It rules or Replacement rules. Keep It rules allow customers to receive a full or partial refund without having to return the item for both online and in-store returns, while Replacement rules allow customers to receive a replacement item instead of a refund if they don't want to keep it, or if Walmart determines the specific customer transaction isn't eligible for the Keep It program, Walmart will decide how to dispose of the item. If you sell items considered exempt from the standard returns process, the customer must contact you directly to initiate the return. Typically, this includes items shipped by freight or luxury items. Before customers can return these items to you, you'll need to submit a return policy exemption request first. And that's it! Now you know how to manage return settings, rules, and exemptions. Don't forget to watch our other Seller Academy tutorials to keep learning.